Hey, Galaxy S24 Ultra users, if you've been eagerly awaiting a display update, I've got some news for you, and unfortunately, it's not good. As we've discussed in previous videos and seen on Reddit and Samsung's forums, users have been expressing concerns about the vibrant color settings on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Many feel that the display appears faded compared to its predecessors. Well, buckle up because the latest updates on this issue bring some disappointing news. According to a conversation with Samsung support, it seems there won't be a fix for the Galaxy S24 Ultra display anytime soon. A user reached out to Samsung support and shockingly was told that the display's washed out appearance is intentional. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung intentionally adjusted the colors and brightness for what they claim to be a more accurate and comfortable vision while using the device. So if you've been holding out for a software update or patch to enhance the vibrancy, I hate to break it to you, it's not happening. According to Samsung support, this adjustment is not a defect. It's an intentional color adjustment, and there won't be a fix in the form of a software update. Samsung states that they've made changes to the display technology to offer a more natural viewing experience. While this might result in colors looking different from older models, it's not considered a problem by Samsung. According to direct conversations with Samsung's developers team as relayed by users, the intentionality of this display adjustment is consistent across various support channels, including chat support and error reports through apps. If you're not a fan of the colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it seems there's no other option. The washed out look is here to stay. What are your thoughts on this intentional display adjustment? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy F54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy F55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy F55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The Galaxy F55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, The shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy F55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy F55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy F54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy F55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy F55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.